good parking spot. So, what we got going on today is working on the crew cab. But I need to go grab the tripod, and it's down in the woods. What we're going to be doing on the 69 Dodge D200 crew cab with the Cummins is getting the interior done. All right, so Dad's been sanding and working on these doors that have been very rough, and then we're going to take it to my Uncle Matt, also known as the exhaust god, and we're going to put some exhaust on this Cummins, and she's going to be good to drive. Street legal, insurance, you know. Well, maybe insurance. You don't got to pay for that, do you? Well, there's that son of a gun. Back secure. Dad ended up fixing these rusty doors, and also went ahead and got them painted. They're currently white. Turned out really good versus what they used to be. Those bottoms were gone. And also got them back doors painted as well. They're already hanging on there like so. Anyways, we're gonna get these front ones on, and they're fitting all right. It's nice and white on the inside. Still got a bunch of junk just falling down in here. Now we're gonna probably put a bumper on this thing. Back in here, receiver hitch, thinking that can probably stay right there. We'll see. Got a big old bumper over there that came on the original bed, but it wasn't on this one. Dad's down here measuring this bumper, putting his hands in that poison ivy right there. But this thing's like 250 pounds, maybe 300, maybe 500, maybe the size of your wife, so a little bigger. You definitely don't want to pull it out in front of it, that's all I can say. But as I'm making this video, what bad is it gonna do if you pull out in front of it? That's the rear bumper, unless we're in reverse. You didn't think about that one, did you? Instead of carrying this heavy thing, let's just pull the truck over here to it. Obviously this is all going to be replaced because she is gone, but we just want to see this bumper up there. That kind of gives you a general idea of what it would look like. Dad's talking about making a custom one though that fits us a little better. This one is kind of in rough shape. Well, my Uncle Matt got the exhaust done on this thing, but inside the truck was still fairly loud, so Dad went ahead and put carpet in this thing. This made the truck look quite a bit better. It still needs to have these door seals that will go across these, but need to be cleaned up. Have those for the front and also the back. The carpet is not quite done here in the back, but he'll be working that out. Gonna build a custom sub box for that and do some speaker things. Haven't quite figured out where the speakers are gonna go. The tweeters are probably gonna go up here in the factory spot in the dash where it had the one main speaker, and then maybe can do something with the kick panels. Haven't quite figured out. Also need to go ahead and put a shifter boot on this thing to clean that up. This carpet was about $80, so doesn't look too bad for what it is. And it also has some sound deadening mat that's on the front side, but not the back, which if you can tell here, it made it not have as much echo as when you go back here in the back. It's got quite a bit more. All right, it's the moment of truth. We'll see if the sound deadening stuff actually works and if the carpet does anything.
Hanging up the doors.
Nope.
Box. Sure, the fuel gauge is going to work.
Now this exhaust does sound good.
It's already quieter.
The squeaking is very bad just because of some belt on the motor. Probably something to do with that AC compressor that was locked up when Dad got the truck and took a chisel to it. And it's still the same AC compressor. So let's go see if this thing's quieter.
It is right now. I can hear you talking.
Yeah?
Well, I'm back there, but I haven't done nothing back here yet.
This is windows down.
That's so much better.
It's got to be kind of loud.
Well, there's no door seals in it either. No padding back there yet either.
That just looks really good right there. It's got 69 miles on it right there. Ain't that something? They're waiting for you. Well, that video was jumping all around, but that's going to conclude it. The Sweptline is coming around. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, all the good stuff, and share if you want to. And until next time.